Now let's check how Odoo manage product variants. For that, get into purchase module. First, we need to create a new product. So click on new button to create a new product. Let the name of the product be shirts, and let me save this product as favorite. And it is also possible to give a picture for this, so we can give the picture for this product, and setting the product as storable product and setting the price as $50. Now we need to create variants. In order to create variants, first we need to enable variants from the configuration settings. So we just go to configuration settings and enable variants. Variants are nothing but they are the properties or other forms of a product. Like it can be its attribute like size, color, shape, etc. Okay, so we can directly create variants from the configuration settings of purchase module, or once you save the settings, you can create product variants from product menu of product tab. Okay, so it is possible to create directly product variants under product tab. Okay, so now let me create variants. So in order to create variants, just configure, click on the attributes and click on new button. Before that, we can see different variants or the attributes that have already created. So just click on new, and first we have to give the name of the attribute. So let it be shirts color, and setting the display type as radio, and creation method or mode as instantly. Now let me choose value, that is red and blue, and let me save this. And let's back to the product and choose the product. And as we have created or enabled the feature variants from the configuration settings, we can see that an additional tab, attributes and variants, is visible in the product. Okay, now choose this and give the attribute that we have created, that is shirts color. And we can also set the values. We have given 2 values and it is possible to add that 2 values here. Now let me save this. So once you save this, you can see that a smart tab is triggered in product form as we have given the variant creation mode as instantly. So the attribute is instantly created here. Okay. Now let's check how the display type is visible in the form. So let's back to the sales module and choose a customer. Let the customer be the query and choose the product. So we have choose the display type as radio. We can see that the values that we have given is red as well as blue. We can see the values is available in radio. Okay, now let's also check different display types. So back to the purchase module, just discard the changes. Now let's back to the purchase module and create other attribute for the same product, shirts. So let me create other attribute that be shirts size. Okay, size, and setting the display type as bill and variant creation mode as dynamically, and setting the value as small as well as large. Okay, now let me save this and back to the products, and we can see under attributes it's possible to add the shirt size, and let's give the size or the values that we have added. Now let's save this. So once you save this, here this attribute won't be visible in the product form as we have choose the variant creation mode as dynamically. Okay, now let's back to the sales module and let's try to create a quotation with a customer. Choose a product, that is shirts. So once you choose a product, here you can see that the display type is pills. As we choose the display type for shirt size is pill, it is visible here. So it is possible to choose multiple attribute for a single product. Okay, so if you want red shirt with large size, it is possible to choose. If you want blue size, blue shirt with large size, it is possible to choose. So Odoo provide an opportunity to use multiple attributes or manage multiple attributes of a product. Okay, now let's back to purchase module. Back to the purchase module, and under configuration settings we can see the attributes, and yeah, and setting, select as the display type and never as the option. So if you choose variant creation mode as never, then this won't be available or visible in the uh, window that is available in the sales or purchase module. Okay, that is the variant configure window. So let's add two values for this, that is cotton and polyester with the other value. Actually, when you use variant creation mode never, this won't be visible in this purchase or sales module. This will be this feature is, the visibility will be reflected in website module. Okay, so if you choose the variant creation mode as never, then the variants won't be available in website module, that is left side of the website module. Directly we can manage the product variants from the product form. When you try to buy a product from a website. Okay, so let me save this, and let's go back to the products and choose a product that we have created, and let me add the attribute that is shirt fabric, and it is possible to give the attributes that, the values that we have given. So save this, and here we have choose the display type as selection. We can see that when you try to sell this product will be available in selection list. Okay, so here we can see that if shirts fabric list is available. Currently we have two values, that is cotton as well as polyester. Now let's back, discard the changes. Now let me also create a new product from purchase module itself, and that is kurti be the product, and let me save this. Now let's create an attribute for that. Under settings, choose the attributes and give the attribute name as kurti color. Okay, now setting the display type as a color, and let me choose two values, that is black and red. Let me save and go to products. Under products we can see kurti product is visible, and just try to choose the kurti color. So can add the values, that is black and red. Now let me save this and go to sales module. Try to create a quotation, and you can add your product, that is kurti. So once you try to choose a kurti, you can see that the display type we have given is color. So actually the color will be visible over here. So this is how Odoo manage the product variants. Hope this concept is clear for everyone. So we'll be discussing a question regarding this. Thank you for watching.